Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Alex Bourne and this is another bare bones lesson on how to play Black Dog by Led Zeppelin. I'll play it for you and then I'll show you how to play it. Okay, so this is, this is mostly on the 5th, the 4th, and the 3rd string, okay? So we're going to start on the 5th string, 7th fret, okay? So after that first note, you go to the 4th string, and walk up frets 5, 6, and 7, then go back to the 5th string, 7th fret. Alright, so you do that, and then you're going to skip a string to the 3rd string, 5th fret, and then that second note is the 4th string, 7th fret. So you put it together, it sounds like, alright? So there's more. Now we go to the 3rd string, 7th fret. So 7th fret, then the 2nd string, 5th fret. And then a hammer off on the 5th and the 7th fret. So it's a pull off and a hammer on. First a hammer on, and then a pull off. And that's the 4th string, 7th fret. Let's review. So far we have then. Alright, once again. Okay, now you go. So that's the 3rd string, 5th fret to the 4th string, 7th fret. And then we go. So that's the 4th string, 5th fret and 7th fret. 5th string now, 5 and 7. Now 3 and 5. And then an A power chord. That last little descent goes. So you can slide on the note that I'm playing with my pinky. Slide, slide, power chord. So just to recap, we got, I'll do it slow-mo really close for you. So, yeah. Okay, so that's Black Dog. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to talk to you soon. Peace.